This book just ate my dog. Bella was taking her dog for a stroll across the page when something very odd happened. Bella's dog disappeared.
"Hello, Bella. What's up?"
said Ben. "This book just ate my dog." Ben decided to investigate. But Ben disappeared too. Suddenly, help zoomed in. Then vanished. Things were getting ridiculous. "I'll just have to sort this out myself," thought Bella. But sometime later, a note appeared. It read, "Dear reader, it would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Please turn this book on its side and shake. Bella. 1. Turn book around. 2. Shake. And shake, and shake, and shake. And one last little wiggle. Thank you, Bella." Everybody reappeared. And things got back to normal. Oh, well, almost. Dear reader, please tell this book to promise not to be so naughty next time you read it. Thank you, Bella.